back to the My Personal Brand Talk Show. I'm your host, Lucas, and we've already had some phenomenal conversations learning about students desiring to entering the armed forces. And I'm really excited about our next group. So please welcome with me Harlem, Aeris, and Unikah. Welcome to our talk show. How you all doing?
Thank you for having us.
Good.
Awesome. Aeris, I'm going to start with you. I'd like you to tell me a little bit more about the power of you. I understand that there's been a month's worth of lessons that you've learned. I'd like you to tell me one thing that stood out to you.
A lot of the things we do here at Power of You, we talk about how to present yourself in a business, things to do in an interview, how to further up your education.
Great answer. I want to ask you a similar question. I understand that in the Power of You, you learned about why 7 seconds matter. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
7 seconds matter because it's like the first 7 seconds that someone meets you and it makes a first impression. Also, we learned about elevator pitches that brands you and shows like who you are as a person in a short amount of time.
I want to ask you a slightly different question. So as you've gone through the Power of You, how do you feel like the Power of You has equipped you for your future as a student and beyond high school?
It's taught me how to be more comfortable with myself and how to present myself better with businesses or just school in general. So I would really like to thank it also as well.
Oh, awesome. I understand all of you are high schoolers.
Yes.
Are you juniors, seniors?
Juniors.
Juniors, awesome. So high school is still a little
Sophomore.
Sophomore.
Yeah, 2 juniors and 1.
So y'all are still a little bit out from graduation.
Yeah.
But I'm curious, have you thought about what your future after high school might look like?
I'm planning to go to university after high school.
Do you have a school already in mind or a set of schools?
I have a list, but I'm still trying to pick like one that I think will be right for me.
Okay. Tell me a little bit more about what you might want to study at university.
I want to study human resource management. So I want a school that has a good business program. So yeah, that's probably like my main.
I spent a lot of time in the business world, and I know that humans need a lot of managing. So that's a great field to be in. How about you? What is something that you might want to pursue?
I want to pursue psychology, human psychology.
Can you tell me a little bit more about why human psychology?
I honestly enjoy just learning about people, the way they react to things. It's just been kind of like a hobby of mine.
Interesting. Wonder if you're doing that right now. Last but not least, tell me a little bit more about what might be next.
I want to go to school for, I don't know yet, but something in the OR.
Okay, so medicine
Yes.
related. Interesting. Similar question, a follow-up question to you. What has led to that interest? What started you being interested in
I
that?
know I wanted to be in like medicine, but I just didn't want to work with people, but like still work with people in a sense.
So you prefer them being knocked out and sedated and
Yes.
work with them?
It's my favorite
Got
part.
it. I like that. Awesome. A couple more questions for you. So as we've talked about the Power of You and we've talked about high school, I want to learn a little bit more about you personally. So can you tell me a little bit more about your hobbies?
Hobbies. I love reading. My mom's an English teacher, so I grew up reading a lot. My favorite books are young adult fiction and also magic realism.
What is a book that you're reading right now that you're really enjoying?
Right now I'm reading Circe, or it's like Circe or Kirke, like it's based off Greek mythology. So I'm really liking it right now.
That sounds like an interesting read. How about you? What do you like to do outside of school?
Outside of school, I enjoy studying and I enjoy spending time with my loved ones.
How about you?
I like coloring. It's a nice hobby.
Coloring as like painting or?
No, the coloring books.
Oh, interesting. Are you working on one right now?
Yeah.
I might ask you to show me one after we're done, but that's a neat hobby. Ladies, thank you so much for allowing me to ask you some of these questions. I'm really glad that you went through the Power of You. I wish you all the best and congrats on coming to our talk show, and you did a great job.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.